Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to Salesforce Developer. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are two ways. Either you are on your production and you want to create a sandbox so you can be able to have the features of the Salesforce developer, or you can simply create a developer edition environment. So basically, you can just go to Salesforce and go to Salesforce developer, search for it, and basically you need just to go to their website or the developer portal. You go and browse trials, and after that you will need just to go and sign up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. So we click on it, and basically you will need just to add all your informations from here. So after filling the sign up form, you will need just to click on sign me up, and of course you need already to check this I agree to the main service agreement, etc. And you will need just to click on sign me up, and basically you will receive a verification email, and you will need just to click on the link in it, and you will have your environment. Otherwise, you can create a sandbox by going to your setup, and after that you will need just to search for sandbox. And basically this is already a development environment, so I don't have my sandboxes. And basically if you have a production environment, you will have sandboxes, and you will be able to create one easily in the lightning experience. And basically you will need to log in to your sandbox, and basically you can do so by go to sandbox Salesforce, or you can simply find your sandboxes as follow. By clicking on your sandbox, you click on login, and you will have your sandbox that will be created, and you will have your development features. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.